CareSens Air Continuous Glucose Monitoring System. The CareSens Air sensor can be used up to 15 days. The sensor will be automatically disconnected when it expires. If you wish to replace the sensor before it expires, you need to manually disconnect it. Please tap Settings icon at the bottom of the home screen to manually disconnect the sensor. Tap Disconnect on the right side of Connection Management. The pop-up window will appear to enter the 4-digit code to disconnect. Enter the 4-digit code. Once the sensor is successfully disconnected, the status will be shown as Not Connected. Remove the sensor slowly from the edge of the sensor tape. The applicator and the sensor are designed for single use only and should be disposed of after use. When attaching a new sensor, please make sure to completely remove the previous one first. Avoid attaching a new sensor to the same area. For inquiries regarding the product, please contact the nearest authorized distributor or CareSens Air Customer Service Center.